How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. So in today's video, we're gonna be asking passengers what they think drivers can do better. So why is this important? Well, it helps us get better tips, get better ratings, be the best rideshare driver. So let's go talk to some passengers and maybe we can find out some secrets, some tip-top secrets of what they're really thinking of us while we're driving them. So let's go find out. Okay, so here with our passenger number one, what's your name?
Sean.
Sean. All right, so we have Sean, and do you take Uber and Lyft every once in a while?
Sometimes, every once in a while.
What is one thing you wished that your driver would do better?
I have heard from other people that they have drivers who offer like ice water and snacks when they get a ride, and I've never had that happen. It sounds pretty sweet. So yeah, I'd like to be catered to. So having some sort of like light refreshments. Yeah. Maybe even like a little mini water bottle. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. I mean, having a cooler is a little. That's amazing. All right, so now we got our second passenger here. What's up, man? What's your name?
I'm Dill.
Dill?
Yep.
Oh, I'm Dylan.
Nice.
Nice. For sure. Is there one thing that you wish that your driver would do better? The drivers that you do have?
Yeah. I'm a very social person, so I would love it if my driver and me could just have a conversation for those long Uber pool rides. Yeah. So you like when your driver's like more engaged with you, asking you questions? Absolutely. We're just having a conversation back and forth, and it's kind of like just having finding some common threads between us. Yeah. So just talking about basketball, maybe? Absolutely. Cool, man. Well, thanks for coming by. Yeah, thank you. All right, take it easy. All right, so now we're with our next passenger, and what's your name? Andrew. Andrew, what is one thing you wish you could tell your driver, but maybe was afraid to?
I'd say every now and then I get in a car that just isn't clean, and I wish that people could like take the initiative to like vacuum their seats and vacuum the floors, because it just creates a really unpleasant environment when you get in a car that it seems like hasn't been kept well.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for coming on.
Yeah, anytime.
Now we're here with our next passenger of the day. Your name is?
Michaela.
Michaela, welcome to the channel.
Thank you.
And what is one thing that you wish you could tell your driver, but maybe we're a little afraid to?
It's kind of picky, but I would say sometimes the smell in the cars can be very strong. And it's probably because of like the different passengers, but yeah. All
right, cool. So now I'm with my next passenger, and your name's Navia, right?
Yes.
Okay,
that's
cool.
name.
What is one thing that you wish you could tell your driver, but maybe we're a little afraid to?
Sometimes, like if I'm taking an Uber late at night, they say like, "Oh, late night, hey," and I'm like, "Yeah, dude, I was studying." And they're like, "Oh, cool. What are you studying?
Yeah.
Like, what's your major?" Like, you're not in charge of my degree. I don't really want to tell you.
Yeah.
And it's hard to say like, I don't want to share that information because it's not a big deal, but still, like sometimes, again, I just want to get to my destination.
So you just want to sit in the back seat and kind of relax.
Yeah.
Cool. I think we're good. So
Cool.
Thank you, Navia.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Appreciate it. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button because it helps me make more money. Just kidding. Doesn't really. YouTube doesn't really pay me that much. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video. But seriously, do hit that like button. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Follow these tips. If you have any other tips or questions or comments or concerns, or I don't know, you just want to blabber and hate on me like you usually do, then you can leave your comments down below. Yeah, guys, thank you all for watching. Get out there, drive safely. Talk to you all soon. Bye, guys.